guys, welcome back to my channel Study B. Here I am with a new video for Cambridge Grade 1 Maths, and this is lesson number 10. And so far we have done with the even and odd numbers. Our next lesson is comprises of numbers in order. So here we are going to learn numbers in order. We have to follow my all the videos previously so you can join me in this video easily and you will know what we are doing. Okay, so what do you mean is numbers in orders? So number in orders mean like what numbers come after that. Okay, just like we will going to see over here what colors come after this color. All right, so now what they say numbers in order, we have the 1 2 3 4 strings over here, and the 4 strings have a different color beats. Okay, like green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. So what will be the next color? Okay, so for each string of the bead, what color will the 7th bead be? So we have to know what color will be the 7th bead be. So over here already these strings have how many beads? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right. And now let's count the other one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can assume that everyone is having the 6 beads already, and now we have to guess what color will be the next one. Okay, so let's start with this exercise, and I will draw with this one. Okay, so over here in the first string you can see the first color is green, then third color is green, then fifth color is green. So what will be the color after yellow? Correct, it will be green. Okay, it's very bad because I'm using the laptop, but yeah, you have to make nicely. So for this one will be green. Now over here we have what color? White, green, blue. White, green, blue. Now another one will be what color? Correct, it will be white color. So I will just draw white color. I know you guys cannot see, so I will just make it a bit off-white, I think, or maybe the gray color. Yeah, so it's a white. So white, green, blue, white, green, blue, and the 7th bead will be white. Right, so you have to follow the order. Understand? Okay, now in this one, let's see what you guys can figure out. We have red, white, white, red, white, white. What color will be over here? White, red, white, red, what? Yes, correct. Over here will be the red bead. So 7th bead of this string is red. Correct. Okay, last but not the least, blue, white, white, green, blue, blue. Okay, that's a bit confusing, right? Again, we have over here blue, blue, white, white, green, blue, blue. So what color will be the 7th one? You see from here, after 2 blues there was what? White. Correct. So after this blue, what there will be? White. So I will just draw with the white color. So gray color. So easy to see. Okay, so these are the orders of the numbers. However, you can see we just little practice it with the colors of order. Okay, now the other question they say, what color will be the 7th bead be? 11th bead. Okay, this is the 7th bead. Now 11th bead we have to see what color will be. Okay, now after green over here will be what? Yellow. So this is the 8th. Then between, then again yellow. So again that will be green, right? So 11th bead will be also green. Okay, so we can say this is 11th. Okay, 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so you can follow this exercise and it's very easy actually. I just wanted to show you one example so you guys can continue with it and you can answer this question, I think. Alright, if still you have any problem, just drop in the comments and I will give you the answer, and I will drop the answer after 2 days so you guys can know the answer of this exercise. Alright, but this is very easy. I hope you guys can do it. So just 11th beat, 17th beat and 10th beat. Okay, now What between? What is between? Between is when you are in between something. For example, over here, this box is between another two boxes. Okay, for example, if this box will be green, this box will be green, so I will say the red box is between the two green boxes. So between is in the middle. All right, over here, let's see what they are doing. Which numbers are between 13 and 21? Very easy, you know the counting, right? Which numbers are between 13 and 21? Do you know? There are lots of numbers that are between 13 and 21. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. These all numbers are between 13 and 21. So whatever that are coming between 13 and 21 are the numbers that are between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are between 20, 13 and 21, and these are the numbers. If say which are the numbers, then this is your answer. The which means how many, which numbers are there, what's the name of the number, like 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the numbers that are between 13 and 21. Correct. Okay. Wow, this is my very favorite and this is very easy. So over here what we are going to do is addition. Addition calls this collectively counting all the numbers. Okay, you have to add on all the numbers. Total, what is the total of the number of like when your teacher says or your mother asks how many are numbers in total, what is your total marks, what how many total number of toys you have, how many total numbers of friends you have. So you count all the friends, friends of the school, friends of the home, friends in your relatives, friends of the cousin, all the friends you count, that are the total number of friends. Okay, so over here more than 10, what is the total for each group? So these balloons are each group, then you have to find out what is the total of each group. So over here 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to what? Count, if you know, can you add 6 plus 4 plus 2? Yes, correct, it's 12. How you can check if it's 12? So 6 add on 2, 7 and 8. Alright, let me show you. 6, 7, 8, then 4, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. Correct. Now over here, this is very easy. 6 is over here. Now we will count what is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is 11 already. Now we have to add on how many? 5 more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many are there? 16. Correct. So this is your answer. How you can easily calculate? Okay, let me tell you one easy trick how to calculate it. We know already 6 plus 4 is 10. Very good. So very easy. First you make the pair of 10. When you make the pair of 10, it will become more easy. So for example, 6 plus 4 is 10. We know already, right? Now next thing is 10 plus 2. That becomes 12. Easy or not? Right? So if you follow this one pair, it will be very easy to calculate the total numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. Over here we write 10. Then we just have to add on 2. We know 5 plus 5 is 6. Oh, sorry, 5 plus 5 is what? 10. Right. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Then next step will be 10 plus 6. Correct. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Easy, right? Now, over here, first we make the pair of 10. Okay, so first pair of 10 will be 7. Then what we will add in 7, that becomes 10. 8, 9, 10, right? So 7 add on 3 is 10. Then 10, after that which number is this yellow balloon? 4, right? So 10 plus 4 is 14. Very good. This is very easy, right? What we will add in 9, that becomes 10? 1, correct. 9 add on 1 is 10. Then 10 add on what is this pink number? 8. So it will become 18. Okay? What we add on in 8, that becomes 10? 8, 9, 10. Very good. So 8 add on 2 is equal to 10. Then what we have to add on in 10? What is another number over here in the balloon? 7, correct. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Wow, I'm so guys proud of you. Okay, last but not the least, over here we have 3 plus 5 plus 8. Over here, can you guess what things we are going to add on? Okay, for your tricky and easiness, we always add on the big numbers first, or take the largest number of the balloon. So I take the 8 first, then I try to add on 3 first. So if I add on 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 8 plus 3 is 11. Now in 11 what I have to add on? 5. So it becomes 16. Okay, over here there was no number of pairs, that is sorry. Now over here there was no number of pair, that becomes the 10. So we just add on everything. What the trick we used is we make 8 add on 3. So 8 is the largest number, we make it 11. Then we add on 11 plus 5, that becomes 16. Okay, so 8 plus 3 plus 11, that becomes 11 plus 5 is equal to 60. I don't know what is happening over here, but this is the answer. Alright, any confusion in this part, just don't worry, drop your comments and I will help you guys to answer it. Make sure you understand this exercise and you do this your homework. I will be dropping the answers very soon. Thank you. See you in the next video.